Most people get project management platforms wrong by choosing plans that are either too basic or unnecessarily expensive. Monday.com offers multiple pricing tiers, and understanding them before buying can save you time and money. The first plan is basic. It's affordable and provides unlimited boards, 200 plus templates, and iOS and Android apps. However, it lacks timeline, calendar, and automation features. Most people get this wrong by picking basic for team collaboration. They quickly outgrow it. Next is standard, the most popular plan. It includes timeline views, calendar views, guest access, and up to 250 automations per month. If your team needs to track deadlines visually, this plan is ideal. Most people overlook standard and go straight to Pro, paying more than necessary. The Pro plan adds private boards, time tracking, and advanced reporting. If you run complex projects or need detailed analytics, this plan is worth it. For example, agencies managing multiple clients benefit from Pro's reporting features. Finally, Enterprise is customized with advanced security, onboarding support, and unlimited automations. Most businesses don't need this unless you have 100 plus users or specific compliance requirements. ITEP, Monday.com charges per user, so your monthly cost scales with team size. Always calculate your total cost, including users, to avoid surprises. In conclusion, understanding Monday.com's pricing plans helps you pick the right balance between features and cost. Most people get this wrong by ignoring their team's actual needs, but a well-chosen plan can boost productivity without overspending. Subscribe for more software guides and pricing breakdowns to make smarter business decisions.